What is something that annoys you about one another? Hi guys, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night, and welcome back to another video. And this time you're not getting a vlog, you are getting a tag. We are doing the sister tag. As you guys know, I am in Jamaica, and so many of you guys has been asking please to do the sister tag. So I'm finally getting an opportunity to do the sister tag with my sister. You guys have been seeing her a lot in the vlogs, so now you guys will really get to know exactly who my sister is. So without further ado, let's just jump straight into the questions. All right, we're just gonna ask some random questions from the sister tag. So question number one, question will goes to both of us. So the question number one is, how old are you both? You're gonna answer first.
What age? You go first.
I am 28.
And I am 30.
So there you guys have it. My sister is 2 years older than I am. Question number two. Describe each other in one word. You go first. You wanna go first?
Somebody describe you.
You're right. In one word.
Caring.
One word to this. It's kind of hard to describe my sister in one word, but let's see. Let's think about it. Jeez, it's hard to describe her in one word. I'm gonna say smart. That's a good one. Smart.
Okay,
that's a good one. It's kind of hard to describe her in one word. All right, let's go to the next question. Oh Lord, question number three is funny. Question number three says, do people ever get you mixed up?
Nope.
No, no, ever, not ever. Question number four, what is something that annoys you about one another? I don't think anything annoys me about her. What annoys?
People annoy me so.
Well guys, there you have it. I don't think anything really annoys me about her. So alright, question number five. Question number five. What is it like being sister with a YouTube guru? We won't answer that one because I am not a YouTube guru, so we're just gonna skip past that one. Question number six. Do you ever argue?
All the time.
Really, Shan? When? I can't remember the last time she and I have an argument. Maybe when we were younger, yes, but no, I don't think so. I can't remember that.
Because we're around each other.
That's true, but when we were younger, yes, a lot. All right. Question number seven. What's the best thing about one another? These questions are tacky. What's the best thing about one another? I don't know. What's the best thing about one another?
She's helpful. She's helpful, yeah.
What's the best thing about one another?
Not saying it's best what one of them, but there's other things, but she's helpful.
What's the best thing about her? Okay, I'm gonna give you one. She always always have my back no matter what, or no matter what the situation is. So there you guys have one. All right, let's go to the next one. I'm reading the questions from my phone, and my phone keeps locking, so I'm just scrolling through. Favorite inside joke? We don't have a favorite inside joke. We don't have a favorite inside joke at all. Okay, favorite memory together. Favorite memory together. Okay, I think I'm gonna go first on this one. I think our favorite memory for me was here's in my mouth, was I think I'm gonna give you two. When we were younger, we used to always have our birthday parties together, and I used to always look forward to that. And I think the second favorite memory for me is the day she had my niece. That was a good one. What's your favorite memory?
I don't have a favorite. I cherish every memory. I won't say I have a favorite. One of them was when Kay was born, because he was there right throughout from checking, getting views. He was there straight up until Kay was born.
That was really
and
good
growing
moment.
up, I have a lot there.
That was a good moment. All right, next question. Full sister, half sister, or step sister? Let me answer first. She's my half sister, but we never say half sister. Reason why? Because we have different father, but we grew up together. We don't know no different father. We are full sister. We never say half sister. As a matter of fact, we never ever get this question, so you can't tell that we're half sister, honestly. But
Actually, I can.
Well, because we looked. She said day and night. That's true, but we never say half sister ever. All right, next question. Guess each other's favorite singer.
You can't guess that. You can't guess that.
Your favorite singer?
I can't guess yours either because you listen to weird music.
You have a favorite singer?
Yes, I do have a favorite.
But what kind of music you listen? Oh, soca. Let's see if I can.
Exactly.
Let's see. She listens to soca, so let's see if I can guess this. Is
But you don't even
Kiss?
No.
Extra.
I'm a lover of soca music. I'm bungee corning and fair lines. I live for them.
I couldn't tell you that. I don't have a favorite singer, so she could never guess my favorite singer. I'm an R&B soul kind of person. I don't really have.
Weird song, eh?
She still listens to weird songs.
Soca music is life.
She's a soca girl. I don't know nothing about soca, so the tune is in her, I guess. Okay, next question. Let's see. Who takes longer to get ready?
Not me.
You.
I don't take long to get
So
ready.
how is it me? You don't take longer to get ready? Shania take forever to shower.
Showers and getting ready?
Of course it's a part of getting ready. I definitely don't take longer to get ready. You take longer to get ready, not me. And then she had to do her makeup after, and she can't decide which clothes she wants to wear. You definitely take longer to get ready.
That's how when you don't go to often.
So, not me, it's her. Alright, next question. Heels or flats? She's definitely a heels and I'm definitely a flats all day, every day. You guys should know I'm a sneakerhead, and she heels. Sometimes I don't know how my sister walk in those shoes, but she's a heels kind of girl. Alright. Pants or dresses?
You are pants.
I'm definitely pants. I think oh lord. Dress? It's kind of hard to decide. I think she toss up between the two, no?
Yep.
She definitely toss up between the two. Hold on. This one is gonna be funny. Favorite animal? You don't have a favorite animal.
I have a favorite animal.
She don't have a favorite animal, and I worse don't have a favorite animal. Alright. If your house was to burn down and your entire family was sure to be okay, what would you save and why? What would you save and why?
Nothing from Kelina. It's good.
I would save my camera.
From Kaylin is good.
Well, it says if your family is okay, so what other thing apart from Kaylin would you save? Because Kaylin is guaranteed to be fine. What else would you save?
My
Not
car
even your
key.
makeup?
My
your
car
car key? So there you have it, your car keys. I would definitely save my camera, trust me. So I can catch all the footage of that burning house. Alright. Okay. Next question. Comedy, horror, or chick flick?
Comedy.
Definitely not horror, so it have to be comedy. Alright. Blackberry or iPhone?
None. Yeah.
I would say I prefer Blackberry.
You are supposed to say yes, Android. My phone is Android.
So
it's neither iPhone
it's
or
neither.
Blackberry, so that should be skipped.
Alright, favorite movie?
You can't guess mine. My favorite movie is Love and Basketball.
Oh, I didn't know that. What is my favorite movie?
I don't know.
That's because I don't have one. What's my favorite TV series? 24.
It's still the one about online object?
It start no.
Oh, 24 Legacy.
Yes.
But you know what my favorite TV series? I don't have a favorite a lot.
No, but you love reality TV, no?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, let's go. Next question. What is something weird that you eat?
I don't eat anything weird.
Something
You
weird.
eat snail. I don't eat,
Yes.
I eat regular things.
Snails is the weirdest thing that I eat.
I don't think Jamaican.
My sister do not like to try weird things. She don't like to try new things. So she
I try Iguana once, but I don't think people find it weird.
Of course that weird, Shan.
I never eat it, I try it.
Will you taste it?
Tastes like chicken.
So you try it. So she tastes iguana. You know what? No
It tastes like
iguana.
chicken.
Alright. Do you guys have anything matching? Yes. We have the same jeans top.
Oh, I'm buy the same shoes.
And we have the same shoes.
I don't know why you think
the same shoes. Yes, we do have something matching. And we have matching shoes too. The white shoes.
Which one?
The Converse looking shoes. We have matching shoes, matching tops. Okay. I love buying her matching things that I have. I love buying her the same things that I have. Don't ask me why. It's a sister thing. What's your favorite TV show? Some hip hop thing.
None of my favorite. Apart from the reality crap that I'm watch. I have a favorite. I watch Chicago PD, I like that. Chicago Fire. But I think it's Chicago because I love the sound of voice.
Okay,
Law
I
and
think
Order.
right.
All
I
the
think
things that
we
kill
have
people,
that in
everybody.
common too because I love
Yeah.
Criminal Minds and Law and Order and those kind of things. So there you have it on our favorite TV show. Okay, you guys, this video was short, but hopefully you guys get to know a little bit about my sister, my gorgeous sister. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new, get to know my sister, catch up and keep up, and we'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.
Peace out.